Tina. Let's draw, create and animate. Hi, I'm Tina, and today I'm going to show you how to do a flying witch. And as you can see here, we have two witches facing each other, and that's on card. Okay, turn that over. Then we have our two coins. I'll show you what to do with them. We have some string, a nice big long piece of string, okay, and our sellotape. So are you ready? We're going to take it up. Now, I have a different scissors that I like to use, but first of all, always keep your fingers away from your cutting area, all right? And we're going to cut out very carefully. Take your time on this. We're going to twist it around. That's what I like about the card, is that we can go all the way around that, keeping our fingers well away from the witches and the scissors. Okay, bring it up, bring it down, across. As you can see where my fingers are, all the way around. I'm going to cut that piece off because that can get in your way. There we go. Follow it all the way around. Bring it down. Go into the broom. Back out again. Off there. Now we're coming to the last stretch. Bring it all the way around, coming near the end now. And back up. Okay, and get rid of this. And there we have our two witches out. Now, what we're going to do here, very carefully, we're going to fold them over right in the middle. See that? Okay, there you have a witch one side, and you have a witch on the other. Now that we folded that over, we're going to open it up, and this is where our two coins come into. We need them. We're going to stick the coins, not myself to it, onto where the shoes are, our boots. There's one. Another piece of sellotape. Just line it up there, check. And we're going to put the other coin down there. Oh, move it back a little bit. Don't worry about that because it's all happening on the inside. Now we're going to fold it over like that. We're going to get some more sellotape. We need a little bit, see just there, the back of the hat. I'm going to stick that together. All right, there's one. And we're going to the end of the broom there. Very carefully. Stick that. Okay. Now, before we get our little witch on our piece of string, what we're going to do is we're going to take her up, and you see, just open it up there like that. See that, so you can see right through it? See that? Yeah. Okay. And then, so that's to help us with the balance. We're going to place her on the string, and hopefully she'll fly. She's moving, she's trying to take off. Hold on, witch there. Little witchy, and there we go. We have our witch, our flying witch. Now I'm going to show you one that I made earlier, and with this one, I coloured her in. All right, so here you go, look. I used lots of colour, really witchy poo, there we go. With bright colours, because she's not such a scary witch. Now we're going to put our little witch, coloured witch, on the string. Get her to take off for us, and we can see what it looks like in colour. Fiddly bits. Now, you two will take your time going through this, okay? Because our little witch is not going to take off for Tina. Okay, here we go. And we're off. And there she is, in flying colour. Come on, witchy. There you go. And back again. Go on, 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 there. Look, she can even reverse. So don't be shy and give it a try and see what you can come up with. Bye-bye. Come on, reverse. And forward.